This Century 21 United property video is presented by Mann. Excellent home, 4-bedroom and 2-bath, with tile floors. Also has new windows, great kitchen with new cabinets with granite countertops, open floor plan to living and dining room. Sunroom overlooks the large lot, that is fenced. A 30 by 20 metal shop for working space and storage. This property is just minutes from shops, hospitals and just a minute from Highway 20. You must see to appreciate. Call us today for your private showing. For more information, review the details below.